The first scenario is about incised wounds, and here is my tutorial on how to grant aid on this situation. Grab any absorbent material. Damp it gently to the wound so the debris can be removed. Next, grab a pair of betadine and cotton buds. Pour a little amount of the liquid to a single head of the buds. Rub it gently to the afflicted area. Then use the other head of the buds to wipe off the extras on the liquid. Then, to cover up the wounds, use some Band-Aid for protecting your wound against any other harmful germs that might cling onto it. And we are done. The second scenario is about abrasions. Before starting, make sure that your hands are clean so it'll be safer while we clean the wound. First, use cotton to wipe off the debris. Gently pat it to the wound. And tear another piece of the cotton, flatten it, and pour droplet amounts of betadine. Apply it by damping the cotton gently to the affected area. Then wipe it horizontally. Use another cotton to wipe off extras. For the vital part, use gauze pads and medical tape to cover up the wound instead of using Band-Aid. Apply the gauze pad as shown in the video. Make sure that the whole wound is covered in the end, then you're good to go. The last and the annoying injury for me is the splinters. You'll need a medical tweezers, but we don't have those, so to be resourceful, I used nail cutters. Carefully clip the splinter and pull it back out. Just be cautious about pulling the splinter because it might split off. Once you did it, then now we're good.